It is Sunday, October 24th, 7:18 in the morning, and I'm heading west out of Colorado Springs on Highway 24. I'm too slow for the big trucks. The goal today is to drive 11 Mile Canyon, which is south of Lake George, Colorado. There are no dispersed campsites along this road. This road travels about 11 miles. The Platte River, South Fork of the Platte River, flowing out of 11 Mile Reservoir. You see a little bit of haze in the air from the Forest Service doing a controlled burn of the forest. Beautiful Sunday morning. It's probably in the low 50s, high 40s, but it's feeling perfect without a wind. With no wind, those temperatures are about perfect. Gotta say the boulder aspect is I'm gonna say is the signature of this canyon so far. The tumble down boulders and the formations are pretty impressive. Late 1800s, this was the Midland Railroad. This road was. There were a lot of railroads thriving at that same time period due to all the mining booms that were all across Colorado. And now it's a tourist road. But due to the fact it was a railroad, it makes it a nice level grade. It's not a very steep incline. And originally this pass was used by the Ute Indians to traverse the Front Range Mountains. tunnels back to back. I guess in Hollywood terms, it would be nature's version of a double wipe. I don't know if anybody gets that. That was pretty cool. Well, I'm at the spillway for the 11-mile dam. And this is where the trailhead is for the overlook. I hope I'm on the right trail. I think I am. But this tells the tale of 11 Mile Canyon right there. That's what it's about here. And there's the dam that creates the South Fork of the Platte River. And right behind that is a 6-mile long reservoir. So let's hope it holds. I found my trailhead. I think I could have parked a little closer. Had to walk down the road and come back here, but it is all good. That's why I'm here today, to do a little walking. It's not far. Half mile to the overlook. A little boulder-filled alcove here, a little circular hollow area. Seems to be a collector of wind. It's getting pretty crisp as I gain altitude. There's the trail right there. It's kind of hard to tell sometimes, but there is a trail. Pardon my heavy breathing. It's the altitude and my lack of physical conditioning. Very strange how this trail is like a natural staircase. A good portion of it just looks like this. And it's the trail. It has these stacked stones. Looks like it's going through these two huge rocks here. Pretty cool. Lived here over 20 years. It never gets old. This is pretty cool. Trail cuts right through here on a natural staircase. I mean, did people place these here, or is Mother Nature so perfect? I'm thinking I could be right there. Right there. Via that slope. Right there. If I can muster a little gumption. I might try it. Well, I did find the overlook on that next rocky point I was pointing out. And it might be the actual overlook, because there was some stone markers coming up here. We got a much better view of 11 Mile Reservoir today. see the snow-capped, partially clouded peaks of the Continental Divide across South Park.